Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from technary.com. So we have a great gadget launch news for you. Realme 8s 5G has been launched in India and will be available for sale in the country. The smartphone will be available on Flipkart, Amazon and Realme official website and also in other offline retailers today. This smartphone has 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 1080 by 2400 pixels of screen resolution. It runs on Android 11 and Realme UI 2.0. This device is powered by octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This device also has memory card slot which supports memory cards of up to 1 TB. It has triple rear camera setup with 64 megapixels camera and f by 1.8 lens. The phone also comes with 2 megapixels of monochrome portrait sensor lens and 2 megapixel sensor with macro lens. The phone comes with 16 megapixels of selfie camera with f by 2.1 lens. Phone has a side mounted fingerprint sensor. This phone has a battery capacity of 5000 mAh and it supports 33-watt dart charge fast charging. There is 11-watt by 3 ampere charger which is included in the box. There are connectivity features which include Bluetooth version 5.1, GPS and USB Type-C port. It is also coming with 5G connectivity. The phone is available in two color variants. One is Universe Blue and another one is Universe Purple. It also comes in two configuration variants, which is 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB of internal storage, which has a price of 17,999, whereas configuration of 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal storage comes at a price of 19,999. So if you want to purchase this Realme 8s 5G smartphone, do check out the link in the description below. Kindly like this video and also if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and put bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.